Our world is full of wonders, even in the darkest of nights. Imagine walking through a forest. The air is warm. The only sound is the chirping of crickets. Suddenly, you see tiny lights flickering around you. What are they? They are fireflies, tiny creatures that produce their own light. This magical ability to glow is called bioluminescence. It's like nature has hidden tiny lights in some of its most fascinating creatures. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, bioluminescence creates a dazzling spectacle. Let's explore this amazing phenomenon together, starting with those enchanting fireflies. These tiny creatures remind us that even in darkness there is beauty and wonder to be found. Now let's journey from the forest to the vast expanse of the ocean, where another type of bioluminescence awaits. Fireflies are like tiny lanterns, flashing their lights in a captivating dance. They are not actually flies, but beetles. These beetles have a special organ in their abdomen that produces light. Fireflies use their flashing lights to communicate. Each species has its own unique flash pattern. This helps them find mates in the dark. Imagine a silent disco, but with lights instead of music. The male fireflies fly around, flashing their lights to attract females. The females wait on the ground or in the bushes, flashing back to signal their interest. It's a beautiful example of communication in the animal kingdom. Now let's dive into the ocean. Imagine swimming in warm water at night. As you move, the water around you starts to sparkle. This magical effect is caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are a type of algae, single-celled organisms that live in water. Some dinoflagellates have the remarkable ability to produce light when disturbed. This is why you might see a trail of sparkling light if you swim through a bloom of these amazing creatures. The sparkling waves are not just beautiful, they also serve a purpose. The light can startle predators, giving the dinoflagellates a chance to escape. It's a clever defense mechanism in a world full of hungry creatures. Section 4. The science of the sparkle. How does bioluminescence work? Bioluminescence might seem like magic, but it's actually a chemical reaction. It occurs when a substance called luciferin reacts with oxygen. This reaction releases energy in the form of light. Think of it like a glow stick. When you crack a glow stick, you're mixing chemicals that react and produce light. Bioluminescence works in a similar way, but it happens inside living organisms. Different organisms have different ways of triggering this chemical reaction. For example, fireflies control their flashes by regulating the flow of oxygen to their light-producing organ. Dinoflagellates, on the other hand, glow when their cell membranes are disturbed, like when waves crash or a fish swims by. Section 5. Fascinating facts about bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is more common in the ocean than on land. In fact, it's estimated that over 80% of deep-sea creatures are bioluminescent. They use their light for various purposes, such as attracting mates, finding food, and defending themselves. Some deep-sea creatures, like anglerfish, have a special lure that dangles in front of their mouths. This lure contains bioluminescent bacteria which attract unsuspecting prey. It's a clever example of symbiosis, where two organisms benefit from each other. Bioluminescence is not just a fascinating natural phenomenon, it also has important applications in science and medicine. Researchers are studying bioluminescent organisms to develop new imaging techniques, biosensors, and even cancer treatments. Section 6. Conclusion: a world of wonder awaits. Bioluminescence is a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. From the twinkling fireflies in our backyards to the glowing creatures of the deep sea, these organisms remind us that there is still so much to discover and appreciate about our planet. I hope this exploration of bioluminescence has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about the amazing world around us. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a fascinating documentary to film about the mating rituals of deep-sea anglerfish.